Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to export source code file in Lovable AI. First, go to your account, then select on the workspace where you want to work from. Now, once inside, to access your source code, click on this code viewer icon at the top. Now that you have them, you will see here your files. So what you need to do now is go to this upper right portion and click on this GitHub icon to sync your project. Then click on connect. Now just go and connect your account. Now it will ask you to authorize the connection. So just go and authorize it. Then after that, add organizations. Then go ahead and install and authorize it again. Once everything is done, just go ahead and continue and click on connect. Then go and transfer anyway. Now that the connection is complete, you can now go ahead and view your project on GitHub. Then in here, you can access your source code file. And to export them, you can click on this code button drop down. Then go ahead and download your zip file. Now that it has been downloaded, you can go ahead and view it. Then in here, you'll have all your source code from Lovable AI. And that's just basically it. That's how you export source code file in Lovable AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.